Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to tell you that how to see or check archived stories or archived posts on Instagram. So just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. First of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and go to your profile section, and you can see the three lines on the top right. Just tap on the three lines, and here you can see the option of archive, or you can simply tap on your activity, and you can here also see the option of archived. Just simply tap on this option, and then here it will show all of your archived posts. And if you want to delete this particular archived post, just simply tap on this option and tap on the three lines on the top right and tap on delete, and that's how you can easily delete your archive. And if you want to also check for your archived stories, then you will have to tap on this little drop menu on the right tab in the center, and then you can also see the option of a story archive. You'll have to just tap on this option in order to see your stories which you have archived. So that's how you can easily check your archives on Instagram. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below, and I'll be catching you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I would recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys.